Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to run fundamental analysis. Um, we have a CPI news coming up in 2 hours from now. You can see it from the cursor. 2 hours from now, CPI news on CAD CAD. So let me teach you how to run the analysis. The first thing you need to do is where I how I trade news. I trade news with my forex broker. That is where I check my news. My forex broker. So there are thousands and thousands of websites to check news, but I check news with my forex book. My forex book. Sorry, my forexbook.com. So the first thing is when you open my forex book, all this one that is showing low, medium, they don't have high impact. The one that have high impact is the one that is showing high. So we have like three card news coming up, one, two, three, four. But the one that is really more effective for me is CPI. CPI news is coming up by 2:40, 2 hours 4 minutes. So how to read it is I click on it. So when I click on it, I have to read this information. It's very important. So the best way to trade, the best way to trade news, to trade fundamental is to combine fundamental and technical. So let's start from fundamental first. Fundamental now, let's read the news. They say a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive bullish for card, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative. Remember, bull means buying is buying. Bull means upward trend. Down means bearish means sell. So they had an expected figure. So this was the former figure, 3.7%, right? It was the last release, 3.7%. And this is a new release, 3.6. So what they say, the a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive bullish. So this is a lower figure because the former one year was 3.7. This one year is 3.6. So that means that uh, all the Canadian dollars, all the pair that's combined with Canadian dollars, they will all sell deeply. But it depends, you have to combine with technical analysis. So let me check market sentiment. So I'm interested in there are a lot of card pair, USD card, Australian dollar card, card JPY. So I'm interested in card JPY because I have run analysis before on it. So from the market sentiment, here, I'm seeing 93% are selling, 7% only are buying. Okay, so I haven't seen this, I haven't said it. Let's go straight to technical analysis. So my technical analysis, I have my card JPY, my card JPY. So my card JPY now, I have already run analysis before now. I've taught you how to run analysis. If you cannot run analysis, check the video up here and you'll see how to run analysis on about any pair at all, even gold. So I've already run analysis and I already predicted some days ago that this market will sell, but fortunately it hasn't started pulling down already. So I think this area here, I put a pending order on this area. You can see sell if price reaches here. So I put a pending order, so it hasn't triggered yet. It hasn't triggered yet. So now I want to know what will happen. So over here now I'm seeing about three touches. One, two, three. Three touches. One, two, three. So market got to this point, reject, got to this point, reject, got to this point, reject. So it has become a, a resistance. It has become a resistance, a strong resistance. So once now market is going to sell from this end. Market is going to sell So market is gonna sell once the news come up. So now I haven't known what markets will likely do, but let's still go back to the case and cross check, double cross check too. So remember in our monthly time frame we said that this has reached over oversold. This is oversold. This is the highest high, the lowest low, and market has reached oversold. But currently, right now, I told you that three things happen in the market. Is that market's moving up or moving down, so or consolidating. So currently, the market was consolidating. So now, if I zoom up now, I will see something like an M here that's about to form. Something like an M here that's about to form. This so the market might likely trail down. So now, if we come back to the weekly time frame, you can see that we have about two candles here. We have about two candles here on the weekly time frame. So that means there would be a retest before the market push down further again. So there will come down to the D1. You can see there's a lot of consolidation at this end. There's a lot of consolidation at this end. So sorry about that. Lots of consolidation at this end. You can see there's too much rejection here, too much rejection from this end. So now 4 hours is showing that there are three touches here, meaning likely that the market might likely push down to a sell. Okay, so now having known that the market will push down to a sell, how do you enter this trade? We are going to, since the time is still far, I'll still come back to this video again. So the best way is to wait until when you enter the trade 1 minute to the trade. You don't enter now. You enter the trade 1 minute to the trade. Understand? 1 minute to this trade. You don't enter. This is about 1 hour 58 minutes more. But we don't enter now. We enter 1 minute to this trade. So now let's not ignore all this news, because you can see all the news are at the same time. So let's check what's going to happen on this other news. A higher than expected. All these news are important, but let's just go straight to the point. A higher than expected figure should be seen as positive bullish. This three, four, this is three. This one is talking about sell as well too. So this one is a CPI. We have already done that one. Let's do the next one. Higher than expected figure should be seen as positive bullish. This is 306, 306. So all of them are talking about sell right now. All of them are talking about sell. So we are going to sell this once is 1 minute to the time. So thank you. That is how to trade CPI news. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. I drop back-to-back video about forex trading, about cryptocurrencies, about e-commerce website, how to create e-commerce website, how to create mobile app. I drop back-to-back content. So ensure to subscribe to this channel. That is only how you can support this channel. That's only how you can support this channel. Each videos we make here, I use money to edit it, to publish it online. So if you don't support this channel, I mean you don't want this channel to continue uh to be here again, you get. So please ensure to watch other of my video. If you want to learn about how to analyze GBUSD, ensure to watch this video by your left here. All right, thank you, peace out.